Sanibonani, this is Hudson from Audio Projects, a division of news, paving and building contractors. I've been working on the drawings as I've been telling you. This is I just decided to sort of give you an update because I'm still working on it, but I'm almost through. Okay, to start with, we have a sloped ground in the backyard. So after we're gonna have to start by demolishing the existing fence, or you could do that, and then maybe later at a certain stage we could then build the wall. But the most important thing that I've also addressed in this, that I've highlighted with this drawing, is the wall. That's how it's gonna look like after we've successfully built the wall. So I didn't actually. So I also considered the slope of the ground. It has the lowest and highest point. So I think with the looks of the wall, that has been addressed with this drawing. Okay, right. And then secondly, you probably have to build up a precast fence above the wall, as you wished. This is the precast fence that you probably gonna have to build up to put up is for security, right? It's just illustrative purpose. It's not like like sort of how it's gonna look like 100% when we've actually sort of build up when the wall for security. I mean, this fence is up, right? And the most important thing that I've tried to put up together is the design of the other wall, because you wish to extend the flat platform from here and to extend it so you can have a wider space from the house, because I think the existing slope is pretty close to the wall, I mean to the house. So then we're gonna need to build up a wall, but it will be massive one. It will be 4 meters high and with the whole length, right? So then the most important thing that I came up with was the location of the steps. So instead of putting up the center like this, like I did that in the other drawing, like how this drawing look like. Yeah, on this right. Instead of actually putting them in the center, we could, put like on this on the face end here. We put them here, and we walk down, and you get to the pool. You easily access, the backyard. Okay, right. So we look. If you look at this ground, we've leveled it up. So we're gonna require a lot of this ground I'm talking about, where we've actually where the pool is. We're gonna have to, at the moment it's sloped, we're gonna have to get a lot of sand to fill up. There's gonna be a lot. I will actually sort of put that in the specification, the more detailed format that I'm working on, the quantity of the sand that we're gonna have to get when the project starts. Anyway, so you see, I'm trying to bring this closer so you can actually have a look. Actually, so how it's gonna look like after the walls are built up, right? But anyway, it's not like you have to put. If you don't like this idea, we can still put it on the center. Your priorities and your considerations and your preferences are the most important. Okay, so you probably have noticed that I've put some guardrails with the drawing as well. But when you consider building up this wall, by the time you want it built up, you might as well consider you need to come up with a budget of putting up these guardrail systems, the safety systems, because this wall is going to be massively high, 4 meters. This is what I'm talking about. It's going to be 4 meters. So there has to be some sort of safety systems to avoid accidents, because if there isn't anything here, they are risky that probably we might sort of drive over or fall above the wall, and to avoid that is we have to put some safety systems. Okay, right. Yeah, so I'm done with this corner. Now I'm going to the other corner. It's actually where you wish the driveway constructed. So you could also access this part, of the platform with the vehicles. Yeah, the Uber driver there is wider. It's wide. There is enough space, and it can be constructed. It's not going to be very steep. The ground is actually sort of not too steep this part. Yeah, so there will be enough space to build up to sort of have vehicles access this part that is going to be leveled, right? So yeah, this is what I wanted you to sort of have a look. So as I said that I'm working on the detailed proposal. All these are labeled nicely with explanations and with all the right decimal dimensions, or with also the quantities of all the materials that are gonna be needed. Because just in case you don't go with us, but you have a sort of framework, or you have like a platform whereby you can weigh out, you can then actually that you can use as a basis for as guidance. If you decide to go with some other, another construction company. Yeah. All right. So yeah. If I manage to get time, I'm working on the final proposal that I'm gonna have to put it up together. Right. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm just gonna sort of trying to zoom this so you can have a clearer vision. All right. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put this up. The best way to make it shareable, I'm gonna have to put it on YouTube, and then I'll send you the link. All right. Thank you so much for watching.